Hello dear children, once again I welcome you to the English class. Today we are going to see fourth lesson. The name of the lesson is Marco Polo. Do you know who is Marco Polo? Let us see.
Marco Polo was a merchant and an adventurer. He traveled with his father and uncle from Venice, Italy to China. Marco Polo spent 17 years in China before returning to Venice.
Now let us learn more about this adventurous explorer. Long ago, there were no buses, planes, cars, trains. So people had to travel other countries with the help of ship or caravans. This caravans is a covered vehicle which is pulled by horse and is also used for living inside. You can also live inside it. This Marco Polo was one of the travelers who visited many countries because he wanted to know about the people, their food habits and their culture. Marco Polo was born in Venice, which is in Italy, in the year 1254. This Marco Polo, at very young age, that is at the age of 70, he started his first voyage. Voyage means traveling through ship. With his father, Niccolo, and his uncle named Maffeo. His wish was that he wanted to visit China. It took 3 years to reach China. Along the way, he visited many different cities and also many different people. He came across the holy city of Jerusalem, then kingdom of Persia, mountains of Hindu Kush and Gobi desert. The wealth and luxury of Chinese cities really impressed Marco Polo. At the same time, Marco Polo was also fascinated, that is, he was attracted by the grandness and greatness of Kublai Khan's court. He was also fascinated by seeing the capital city, Kinsey, which was very clean, well organized and very beautiful because the roads were very wide. He had never seen such sights in his place, that is in Europe. So everything was new to him. Not only the people, their food habits and their culture, but even animals like orangutans and rhinos. This orangutans means it is an ape which is having a long hair in its body. It's somewhat looking like monkey, but it's an ape which is having a long hair in its body. Marco Polo lived for many years in China. Then he learned the local language of China. He also served as a messenger and a spy to the emperor. A spy means a person who is sent to collect the secret information of other organization or country. Marco Polo also visited several countries in North Africa, Western Asia and Southern Europe. After living for 24 years in China, he decided to return back to his home, that is Venice. He left his home in the year 1271 and he returned back to his home along with his father and his uncle in the year 1295. But due to the war between the Venice and Genoa, he was captured and put in the Genoese prison. In the year 1299, he was released. He became a wealthy merchant. Marco Polo married a lady named Donata Badoer and he had 3 children. He died on 8th January 1324 at the age of 70 and he was buried in the church at San Lorenzo in Venice. When he was in a prison at Genoa, he met a writer to whom he narrated his detailed journey, and this writer wrote these stories in a book named The Travels of Marco Polo. This book became very famous and was translated into different languages, and it was read throughout the Europe. Another famous explorer, one of the famous adventurous explorer, Christopher Columbus, was really inspired by this book. So, when he started to travel, he took this book along with him. This is all about our famous adventurous explorer Marco Polo. I hope you understood this lesson. Be safe and take care.